Welcome to my full and honest review of Iterable, one of the most talked about marketing automation platforms in the SaaS industry. If you're looking for a way to streamline email campaigns, SMS, push notifications, and even in-app messaging, all in one place, then this platform might be worth considering. I'll be walking you through its key features, pricing structure, usability, and real-world performance to help you determine if it's the right fit for your business. As soon as you log in, you're greeted with a modern and intuitive dashboard that organizes everything neatly. The home screen provides an overview of your campaigns, recent activity, and key performance metrics, making it easy to track ongoing marketing efforts. On the left side, there's a navigation panel giving access to features like audience segmentation, campaign management, workflows, A/B testing, and analytics. One of Iterable's biggest strengths is its cross-channel marketing capabilities. Unlike some competitors that focus solely on email automation, Iterable allows you to build campaigns across multiple channels: email, SMS, push notifications, and even direct mail. This omni-channel approach ensures that you can engage with customers wherever they are, improving retention and conversion rates. Diving into audience segmentation, Iterable makes it incredibly easy to create highly targeted customer groups. Using real-time data and behavioral tracking, you can build segments based on past interactions, demographics, or custom event triggers. For example, you can create a segment of users who abandon their carts and automatically trigger a follow-up email or SMS reminder. Now, let's talk about workflows. The platform features a visual journey builder that helps automate marketing campaigns based on customer behavior. You can create detailed customer journeys with conditional logic, ensuring that users receive the right message at the right time. This feature is especially useful for businesses looking to implement automated onboarding sequences, lead nurturing, or post-purchase follow-ups. Iterable also includes a robust A/B testing tool, allowing you to experiment with different subject lines, content variations, and send times. You can test multiple elements simultaneously and rely on built-in analytics to determine what works best. Speaking of analytics, Iterable offers real-time reporting with detailed insights into campaign performance, audience engagement, and conversion rates. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another highlight of Iterable is its deep integration capabilities. It connects seamlessly with major CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and data warehouses, making it easier to sync customer data. Whether you're using Salesforce, Shopify, Segment, or Snowflake, Iterable has native integrations that reduce manual data entry and improve efficiency. Pricing is always a crucial factor when evaluating SaaS platforms. Iterable offers custom pricing based on business needs, which means you'll need to request a quote to get an exact figure. While this model is great for enterprises, it may not be the best fit for small businesses with limited budgets. The platform does offer a free demo, which I highly recommend if you're considering signing up. In terms of drawbacks, some users report a steep learning curve, especially for beginners who are not familiar with marketing automation tools. The sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, but the platform does provide helpful documentation and customer support. Additionally, while Iterable is packed with advanced features, its pricing structure might not be ideal for smaller companies. So, is Iterable worth it? If you're looking for a powerful marketing automation platform with cross-channel capabilities, advanced segmentation, and strong analytics, it's definitely a top contender. However, if you're a small business or just getting started with email marketing, you might want to explore more budget-friendly options. Let me know in the comments what you think of Iterable, and if you've used it before. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth SaaS reviews, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest content.